Kristu inkosi, ngiyanibingelela egameni lika Jesu. This is my part 3 of i-testimony yami. Okay, ongakwazanga ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani from part 1 part 2 can go back. So ngizoqhubeka ke. So bese ngenza unyaka wesithathu in serve. So now I'm starting to question impilo yami. Ukuthi okay ngiyabuka manje ukuthi okay, yaphithizile emhlabeni. Abantu bayavuka imisebenzi baye emsebenzini abanye baye eqoleni and mangifika lapha I didn't have peace emoyeni wami like now sengiyaqala nginembuzo ukuthi uNkulunkulu yini ongilethele yona la emhlabeni ngiyathatha ngiyabuka ukuthi oh ngihlezi ngikhathele ama assignment ngalana nawo nomsebenzi uyangixaka kuningi ngiyabona ukuthi nesikhathi saNkulunkulu angisasitholi mangibuya ngikhathele angisakwazi nokufunda iBhayibheli lami sengihlula nakumnika nalelo 1 hour lelo uNkulunkulu uyabona nje kunzima ngiyeza ukuthi spiritually I'm being drained ngiyabona ukuthi ngilokho engihlehla kuNkulunkulu the more ngenza lezi zinto ngiyahlehla kuNkulunkulu so now I'm like no mina sengikhathele sengifuna ukwenza icebo likaNkulunkulu ngempilo yami because I'm sure ukuthi asizela ngizofuza la emhlabeni God has better plan uma ethi uNkulunkulu asingakhathazeki ukuthi sodlani sophuzani why manje mele sihambe sofukuza kangaka ufukuzelwa imali nanokuthi okay now ngiyathatha ngiyabuka ukuthi okay why abantu abasindisiwe befana nabantu basezweni okay ngibuka kanje manje ukuthi sonke sifuna imali we chasing money ekukhuleni kwethu thiwa asambe sesikoleni wonke umuntu iphupho lakhe mase esikoleni kumele ngibe ne big house I double story imoto that's the only thing that we are being taught education is key to success which is a lie indeed hayibo le education ekuthiwa success now ama graduates abantu ba graduateile imisebenzi ayisatholakala dololo yathi sengiyayibuka lento ngizimina hayi ngeke komsiza ngani umuntu uzizwe lonke alehlela ukuphila kwakhe ukuthi this doesn't make sense to me like thiwa uthi uNkulunkulu ningakhonze amakhosi amabili okuMamon which is money and naye so ngiyabona ukuthi asimkhonzini uNkulunkulu ekuvukeni kwethu njalo siyosebenza lapha yana kulabo abantu and siyazi abaphathi bethu abaningi abakholwa kwezinye indawo ezinye inkampani kwenziwa lokho kwenziwa ngaphansi abakwazi bodwa and then sihambe siyosebenzela labo bantu labo esazi kahle ukuthi laba kunama rumors going around ukuthi they are killing people or doing what and what and what so I'm just like mina no there must be life out there like more than this like mina ayingeke ngikwazi ukuphila lempilo lena like ngiyalifuna ukulifeza icebo laNkulunkulu because manje sifuna imali and uNkulunkulu usho kahle ukuthi uzosiprovide and uthi uNkulunkulu ningayibekela incebo yeni emhlabeni lapho khona inondo namasela azofika ayebe but ithina sithola like we are trying to save this life hey mele ngicina imali ngiyenzela abantwana bami saving imali sazi kahle ukuthi zonke izinto ezila emhlabeni it's only temporary so ngisiza ngani okay senginayo ke le moto umuzi and then I've achieved it and mangise ukubheka akukho kwaneliseke enyameni inyama ihlezi ifuna more and more and mase ukubheka labo bantu laba abasebenazo zonke lezi zinto lezi ezweni lonke they don't have peace abanakho ipeace ekulala kwabo ukuhlinza kwabo bafuna imali abantu bakhathazekile abantu ba depressed abantu ba stressed imali people have been told ukuthi imali can solve all your problems money is everything kanti akunjalo ukuba nje noNkulunkulu uphelele uNkulunkulu nje eyedwa uphelelisi